Birds by Gonzaga Urbina. Read for LibriVox.org by Newgate Novelist. Childhood, how deep the memories you stir! My heart was then like eaves with white birds filled, when in my sky the sun began to rise, and with its tender beams the shadows thrilled. Firmness and life and wild exuberance, youth brought me all of these, and joy and might. But the white birds of innocence, ah me! Retreating from its aspect fair to see, fled, as if terrified by so much light. Later my heart, with fragrant odours filled, was like a shadowy, broad-branching tree, where, as the sun rose higher in my sky, sweet birds of azure used to sing to me. The sun went down, and then came on the night, my long, dark night of sorrow and despair. In its thick blackness they were lost to me, the melodies that filled my hours of glee, illusions birds of azure, bright and fair. Sun of my sky, you gladden me no more. My heart is now a church in ruins cold, a mournful nest of birds with plumage black, which the deep shadows of my grief enfold. One mystic moonbeam's faint, pale thread of light alone disturbs the darkness with its ray. Let not its gleam be quenched. It is to me the only joy of my sad destiny, a memory of youth now passed away. O time, I leave the doors all standing wide. Swiftly come in, if it indeed be true that all things you destroy and sweep away, bear hence with you these dark-hued birds, I pray, as you bore hence the white birds and the blue. End of poem. This recording is in the public domain.